she is then. In her last ever flying display season, when this aeroplane lands in October, you will never see another Vulcan fly again. Starting at about 160 knots, 184 miles an hour, and accelerating up to 300 knots. And pulling away off to our left to come straight in from the far side of the airfield. The shape that was to become Vulcan, first drawn on a scruffy piece of paper in 1946 by the man who designed the fantastic Lancaster, Roy Chadwick. He died in 1947 in a crash, and he never saw his brilliant design fly. Nor did he see it become the first successful operational delta wing aircraft in the world, rather like R.J. Mitchell not seeing his Spitfire into RAF service. So watch now as Bill Ramsey takes the aircraft into a spiral climb. The famous Vulcan Howl. Last year it was 25 years since the fall of the Berlin Wall and the collapse of the European communist regimes, which eventually ended the Cold War, and this aeroplane was a significant player in that ending of the Cold War. Carriage coming up as she goes by. She comes by this time, watch for the bomb doors opening, and you'll see that capacious bomb bay that carried 21 1,000-pound bombs. So Jonathan Lazari, the AEO, is opening the bomb bay as she goes by. And that, of course, is the heart of the bomber. And that's the bomber that mounted with